Hi guys, today is another day. My name is Abagna Priscilla, and today we are going to learn how to use Photoshop to remove pimples. Removing pimples from an image and making the image very good. Retouching the image is one of the ways to make your flyer very good. Let me give you a secret. One secret is when your picture quality is good, your flyer will automatically be good. So if your picture or your image that you're going to use on your flyer is having pimples, rough surface, your flyer will not be good. That is why people take photo shoots to make flyers, because the quality of your image determines the quality of your flyer. We are in Photoshop. So please, if you want more of these videos, like, share, subscribe to my channel so that I can give you tips that will make you a top-notch designer. So you go to your file and you go to new, select the size that you want to design your flyer on. So this is, I'll just choose this one because I'm not going to do it. And if I'm good, I'm just going to show you how to remove pimples and retouch your skin. So I'm going to use, so from here you go and open your files where you get your image to remove the pimples. So I got this image here. So I got this image. I think this is the image we will use here. Oh, sorry. I think this is the image we use here. So this is the image. Let me just bring it. This is the image I'm going to use. So I'll just drag it like this. It's not working, so just divide the screen into two so that I can just drag it and drop it like this here. So of this one, and yeah, so this is the image that I'm going to use for the retouching. So please follow me step by step, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you get more of this. Like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you are going to rasterize this image so that you can use it for anything that you want to do. Rasterize the image. And the second one is you just go to your healing brush. So you're going to use this healing brush. Then you come here. The first thing you are going to do is you are going to select the place that you want to remove the pimples. Especially this brush is for removing big pimples, and after that you can use other icons to retouch the skin, but the healing brush is for removing big pimples. Okay, yeah, so this one is a big pimple. So what you do is that you hold Alt key and you just click on it. Yes, hold Alt and click, and then you can drag it away. See that is going. Yes, so this is how to remove. Okay, so we have removed the big pimples from it. Yes, so all these ones are just dark spots on the face. So all these ones are just dark spots on the face. So we can use a different method to do what to remove them, not using this healing brush. So I guess we are done here. So after removing the big pimples from the skin, you duplicate this image to 2. So we are going to duplicate this image. So duplicating the image, you click, you are going to click, you are going to hold Control and then you press J. So hold Control and press J. Yeah, so we have duplicate. So we will rename our image. So you just, if you want to rename the image, you just double tap on the image like this, then do it 1 here, then this one 2 is 2, So let's just complete our retouching here. Just like this. Okay, so yes, we are done here. So from this, so just see from this, from this to that. How is it this to that? So but just take your time and do it very well. Okay, yes, and you can now add maybe hue or anything to it. So you can go to image, you just add image brightness, then like this. Let's set it to maybe 10 or 5. You see, you can brighten it. It's fine. So here, and you go to the same image, adjustments, then levels. Yes, levels. Just use levels, and you can drag this one here, just small a bit, drag here. I think this is okay. Then from there you go to image adjustments, hue and saturation, yes, or color balance. So you just play with your image like that. You can, or the one I like most is you just go to image, then go to you go to filter. You go to filter. This is the one I like more. Camera raw filter. Everything is there. Camera raw filter. So just opening. Everything that you want to do is here. When you want to brighten, you want to reduce noise, you want to. So this one we have basic here. So the basic is temperature. You want to increase the temperature easily, but I don't want to increase temperature, and so I'll just make it 0 here. I want to increase temperature here, so it is like that. So let's okay, this is fine. And exposure, let me just do it like this. Exposure, okay, fine. Contrast, no. Highlight, no. Shadows, small. Okay, then white, so really white too. Just 10. And then texture, yes, then clarity. I don't want the house clarity like this. These ones are just vibrance. I like vibrance. You see, when I tone it is very hot. When I bring it back, it will turn to monochrome. Then edges, and then from this, so you can use curve here. This place you can drag it to where you want. Just play with your image just like that, and from there you can use pigment, green, anything that you want. So let's just select okay, and you see the transformation. So this is it. So this is okay. So this is the end of the video of retouching your skin. Thank you very much. Subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.